Today we're going to look at the Apple Watch Series 3 and how to change the bands in it. We're going to get into it now. So what you need to do is you'll notice that there's two little pins at the back. You just need to press them in. You just need to give it a good press when it works. Oh, first time, I am doing well. You take them off like that. Same with the other side. And if I didn't mention before, this is the brand new Apple Watch Series 3 with 4G. So, and then it's also the 38mm. Now we're going to open the brand new band, which is a leather one. Okay, now how do you open it? Who wants to see the band? Oh, where's the band? Don't think they've sent me a band. Oh, this is nice material. Move that to one side. We still don't have a band. How do you? Well, this should get some paperwork. Not anybody cares. We've file that to the side. There's one side. Now this is the Bordeaux colour. And the way you actually reattach the ones is you always have to go with this silver bit first to clip in, and what you do is wait till it clicks, which I think it just did, to make sure it's secure. It's fine. And then you do exactly the same thing on the other side. Wait till it clicks. There we go. Now that should be completely secured now. Now, that's a nice band.